Duncan Aviation's high-quality standards and customer service are closer than you think. Located within 100 nautical miles of the busiest business airports across the United States, our teams of experienced satellite technicians are ready to support you anywhere you land or hangar your aircraft. When you need frontline avionics service, systems installation, software and database updates, flight data downloads, battery maintenance, or critical AOG support, we are conveniently located, providing personalized attention, getting to know your needs, and becoming a part of your maintenance team. Your flight deck and cabin system needs are covered. Get on the schedule now for the most popular avionics installations. All satellite locations have full support from the Duncan Aviation Avionics and Instrument Shop located in Lincoln, Nebraska, and will coordinate all necessary repairs, overhauls, exchanges, loaners, or parts needed for any jet, turbine, piston-powered aircraft, or helicopter. You'll avoid the hassle of paperwork as we handle any warranty claims and OEM extended service programs. When you stop at our satellite locations, you have full access to all the services and support offered through Duncan Aviation's 3 MRO facilities. Our services are further expanded to include support for aircraft registered with international civil aviation authorities. During times of critical, casual, or remote location needs, Duncan Aviation is nearby to keep you flying.